I did my first coffee drip this morning. Hi there, little woofer. Yep. I'm not an expert on coffee. I just like it. Mush. Hey there, world. Welcome to another one. How's everybody doing? Hope they're going for it. It's gonna rain in like an hour. This dude's fucking license plate is ketchup. Must be a big fan of ketchup. I did my first coffee drip this morning. Got, I don't know what you'd call it, a coffee drip kit with the things. All of the things. I do coffee a couple different ways. I've built a nice little repertoire of coffee experience, I guess you could say. Now we're working on it. It's not going to be something I do every day because, well, I guess you could do, you could very easily do more than 1 cup. I only did like 1 cup, and it was pretty good. I'm not too picky about how my coffee is done. I typically use just like a, you know, Mr. Coffee, typical brew pot, whatever. The, what do you call it? We use a mocha pot, which I think is Italian. That's pretty good. That's kind of like an espresso, but it's not espresso beans. I don't know if there's a difference. I'm not an expert on coffee. I just like it. But everybody else went back to work today. I really don't want to wait and all this shit. It's fine. It's gonna turn left, but light turned green anyway. Yeah, the whole world went back to work today, except me. I just want to get out and cruise. I've caught the bug again, got those nice days, realized how awesome these gloves are, and I'm not fazed by going out like this. So, only thing that sucks is it might rain on the way back. So I guess I could try and keep an eye on that. But it's like 8 o'clock in the morning, despite what the sky might tell you. Wish I could lane split. Let me know how you guys do your coffee. I'm curious. I'm not picky. I regular brew. I mocha pot. I just tried the drip this morning. I liked it. I'll keep doing it. I guess the idea is that you can like mess with the you can mess with the chemistry of it more, or the blend, or I guess I don't know. I'm not a chemist, but it was fun to do. Nice little heated glove action. You see me, sir. I know you see me. You don't have your blinker on, sir. Probably gonna go home and have myself another cup of coffee. Maybe a mocha pot this time. And just a quick ride. Just a quick out and back. I don't know if I want to try and see if there's a CVS or something open. Do 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 do. Yeah, I think it's like 40 today, and I'm, you know, I'm chilling. We're chilling. It's a lovely day. I wish it was still December, because in December just flows, you know. But it's January 2023, baby. Rah rah. Am I crazy if I almost want to get caught out in the rain? I'm not opposed. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. You know. It might actually be too early for a lot of these things to be open. I'm pretty sure like the Rite Aid that's closest to me, which I didn't go to, they don't open until like 9. Which I find odd, but how many fucking gears up was I? Jesus. Oh, there you go. Hi there, little woofer. Yep. 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 That was pretty funny. What are you doing? You know, I am thinking about, like, I was gonna stop somewhere, but I don't really want to stop somewhere and have to come back and find my bike soaking wet. Make sure this guy sees me. In here, sir. Excuse me, pardon me. Oh, what a beautiful morning, dude. I'm loving this. As long as it's not raining. Well, I don't care if it rains. I keep saying that. I don't know. Do do boo ba do. Do ba do ba. Boom ba boom ba do. Take a little cruise through Wesleyan. Just check the time. Wow, you love to see it. Good sensors. I have arrived at the intersection. And they say, sir, so sorry. After you. There's nobody here anyway. Come on. Come on. Let's go. That guy was digging it. Love it. Appreciate it, brother. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Cool houses. I think a lot of these are honestly like college, not housing, like not official college. What are you people doing? Like just fucking, it's ridiculous. I mean, that was like, that's like a 90-degree intersection and you just fucking sent it. I mean, you better trust your timing of like looking left, looking right, and going. Like you know, that's an interesting tree. That's a testament of my attention span today. I'm talking shit, followed by oof. Looking at trees. I think I'm finding myself like waiting until I see it start raining and then saying, okay, I'll head home. Mush. Maybe I'll try and stop by the pharmacy here, see if they're open this early. I feel like they probably are. Do boo boo do. Do boo boo boo. Yo bum boom bum boom. For those of you who have been listening, yes, it's ABBA. Alright folks, we're gonna pull into the pharmacy here and hope it's not raining when we come back.